Ndumiriri-ini ya o muthenya ya uria bururi uthite na mbere na kung'ethanira na murimu wa COVID-19 na iria ikurekagiririo kaunti-ini ya Machakos ni kwa mutahi kagwe yaniriire andu angi 52 mari na murimu wa COVID-19.
We have in the last 24 hours tested 2,567 samples, out of which some 52 people have tested positive for COVID-19. This now brings the total to 1,161 persons who now tested positive.
Kaunti ya Nairobi umuthi iri na arwaru 23, kaunti ya Mombasa na kaunti ya Busia ciri na arwaru 7 o kaunti, kaunti ya Kwale iri na arwaru 5, kaunti ya Kajiado iri na arwaru 4, kaunti ya Nakuru iri na arwaru 2, kaunti ya Kiambu, Taita Taveta, Kilifi na Trans Nzoia ciri na murwaru umwe o kaunti.
I would like to urge the government of Busia County to become extra vigilant and extra careful, because it is a border point. There are a lot of truck drivers in Busia, and you can see that the figures in that county are beginning to grow. On our part, the Ministry of Health, we will take all measures possible and necessary to support Busia County so that the figures in Busia do not continue to grow.
Arwaru goko kaunti-ini ya Nairobi kibirani kuo gutongoretie na arwaru 8, Lang'ata kuri na arwaru 3, Kamukunji, Dagoretti ya Rugongo na Embakasi ya Irathiro ciri na arwaru 2 o gicigo-ini kia ubunge guku Embakasi ya Irathiro, Kasarani, Starehe na Roysambu mari na murwaru umwe gicigo-ini kia ubunge.
Today in Kibera, and that is something worrying considering the population that is in Kibera, and further measures may need to be taken in that place. And we will do so as our scientists move around, the doctors move around and advise us. We make decisions on the basis of scientific finding.
Mutahi ni ugite twita bururi ni tuhotete guthondeka PPEs cia kuhuthika guku bururi-ini, akiongerera kuhinyiriria thirikari ndigwitikira kugeria dawa ciumite mabururi-ini mangi citambite kugerio ni ataramu guku bururi-ini.
The ventilators, the prototypes of the ventilators have not gone to production stage yet. This is a very critical equipment in management of any disease, and particularly COVID-19. And therefore, we need to be very vigilant. We need to be very, very careful, because if you are not very careful, then the machine that is supposed to save life can itself kill.
Icera-ini riake kaunti-ini ya Machakos, Mutahi ni amatugire na PPEs, sanitizer, udomwe na indo nyingi.
Asanteni sana wote waliohusika. Basi
Gerifotera Kameme TV, retora kwani Wanjiru wa Boro.